you're doing in a game, you can't do in a real life. It's cheaper to do it in a game. You know what I mean? I mean,
these 4 people, bro.
And now I get involved in a dark conversation. But that game I look saucy, man.
It's much fun. Out here working on the car once again. We got the issue fixed. My man draining pure E85 out the car. Or water, I don't know what the hell that shit is. You draining both tanks?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do that after this one.
Have you been checking the bucket to see how much in there?
Bro, this shit is not gonna fill that up.
You sure that's not 5 gallons?
The bucket not even halfway yet.
Bro, how you feel you got the car fixed, bro?
Way better than I did before.
You drove the car. Shit. Hey, get a hammer and beat this back. That's why your wheel is all like cut up right there. Cause you got the wheel clipped that and then it pulled it down. Now look, you see all the particles in the bottom? Look. Yeah, that gas tank was dirty. And it clogged up the return line. So destination tuning, if you're seeing this, destination performance.
Performance destination.
Yeah, performance destination. If you're seeing this, that's why you can tune that boy car. Yeah. That man had that gas tank dirty. That little bypass was full of all that stuff was in there. I had to drill it out, bro. My man was hot. My man was mad. But that Jamaican dude said that man was mad tight.
You a body boy.
Oh yeah, pause, bro. Whoa.
See, let's traffic here now. All right, no.
Pour that E85 in there.
Let's take it to the stadium.
What to the stadium?
Car.
This?
Yeah.
Nah, not tonight, bro. Or probably should tonight, but it ain't even tuned. Tell that dude to...
It'll be tuned tomorrow, he said.
You'll be tuned tomorrow.
That's what he said.
Hey, shit, you might hold 550, bro. You gotta tell Shane you coming to get him, bro. Tell that boy Shane, hey, tomorrow it's up and it's stuck.
Nah, Christian said that he was gonna come along too.
DC5 tag, you gotta use their Instagram name, bro. You're famous now, right?
I'm not famous.
You gotta use their Instagram name, bro.
So I gotta change my name to Shadow?
Nah, you're Akachan Evo. Was it Akachan?
Yeah.
See how you got it right, bro. Akachan.
My middle name.
Your name is Javon Akachan.
Javon Gerard.
Javon Gerard?
Akachan Cox.
What? What did he say?
So what do I do? Just put it in the car then?
No, you can put it in the car.
She's 93.
Look at this man gas, bro. This man got doo-doo water. We gotta fix the bumper right there. I might do it tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. Probably Saturday or something. Sunday. Depending on how I feel. Hey, look, I got this little light. I know it's light out. Look. I feel like a celebrity, bro. I mean, y'all can see all my features. I just like ate cereal, you know, all that good jazz. But
you gotta do a video on the lights with the Hero too.
bro, this man don't shut up in my video, bro. But yeah, I got this little light, but I need the little wireless microphones. One of y'all need to, one of y'all little subscribers, just go ahead and buy those for me. Yeah, just go ahead and buy those. Send those. Ron, go ahead and get those for me, boy. You good? Tropic, get that for me, boy. I keep looking over there because of the little screen, but nah, the Evo's coming back. We got a lot of stuff done on the Evo. He's gonna wrap it. So he's gonna get the Evo wrap. You just need to hook up that what you call it switch right there. That look like a little rat nest over there though. You gotta clean that up, bro. But fuel pressure regulator working. The other one, we thought the other one was broke because the fuel pressure was pegged at like 100, but it was because that return line was blocked. there taking it for a drive?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this up there until I get back.
Put this up there. Where you going to throw it in the fucking...
Throw it where?
Not nowhere here, though.
I know.
Alright, bro, do your thing. You gonna take it with the BMW?
No. I'm gonna put this shit in the trunk of the Eagle.
You can pour it in the Super.
It's 93. I mean, that's bad E85 though.
Distrain it.
Shit, if you want to.
Nah. Bro, close the hood, bro. You about to leave, bro.
That's what I got you for, my assistant.
That man said I'm an assistant.
What your frames look like?
Well, you gotta let this, you gotta get all those fuel out the line though.
I know, when I start driving it goes to 14. Then when I stop it stops at 14. Just because it's a slow start.
Alright, bro.
I think.
Huh?
I think. Sounds good.
You're driving a lot better too. You sound like you're driving a lot better.
Yeah.
car working?
Yep. Finally.
After like
10
almost a year.
years.
Thought the back window was down. You just done got 10. What was back there rubbing, bro?
It's not. It's this.
It's the zip ties?
Yeah, the zip tie was rubbing on the wheel. Cause I'm trying to figure out what this was.
Oh, that's why you be cutting these shit.
Yeah, but we gotta fix the bumper anyway.
Yeah, we do. So what all you got done to the car now, bro? After a year?
Shit. Everybody's seen everything on the video, but for people that don't know, you got a G35 1050 Pulsar turbo with custom up pipes and manifold from SYP Performance.
It's actually SY Performance, bro.
Oh.
It's SYP.
Well, SY Performance.
There you go.
Then we got dual 525 fuel pumps running 8-an line. We got 1220 injectors, small injectors, but should make like 5 something on it. Around there, guesstimating.
What happened to like 800 or 900?
My injectors are too small. And then you got a built head. I got everything on the phone. Hold on.
My man about to rap like Drake.
I say, young man.
Alright, so we got the 1220 FIC injectors, G35 1050 Pulsar turbo, titanium up pipes, got the Integra half rad, ETS intercooler, GSC S2 cams, 274 by 274 billet cams. You got the Tomei cam gears, Ferrera competition valve intake and exhaust, stage 3 beehive vape retainers, custom aged 625 plus APR head studs. We got fluid amper dampener on there, race timing belt, Wiseco pistons and rods, Manley crank, the dual Walbro 525 fuel pumps, and the mini battery kit. That's basically everything that's done to it.
Damn, cuz that sound like you balling out of control.
Not really.
You ain't stopped to take a breath. Mama just do 35, 35, 35, 35, 40, 40. Alright. You put a lot of work into it though. It's finally coming together.
All we need to do now is get it wrapped and tuned. Tuning should be tomorrow. If Drake could get in the car, we should get that on video. Bro, back up. What?
I'm just you talking, bro. I'm trying to get everything.
Yeah, if Dre's able to tomorrow, we'll head out and get the car tuned. If I could find another decent wheel.
These are 18s?
Yeah.
Just trade them with somebody for 17s, and then just you can find somebody to trade for 17s.
Oh, we recently, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this was silver before. Wrinkled blacked it. It didn't come out too good, but it is what it is. I'm not opening my engine bay. Eventually, my plans for the car after like a year or so, I plan to upgrade my injectors to 2150s. I think I got like a stage 1 or 2 clutch right now. I'm gonna get a twin disc. Not sure which one yet. Probably gonna get this powder coated black. I'm gonna try to get the turbo red if I can. If not, I'm gonna just leave it. The exhaust pipes are gonna stay the same. We gotta sand these lights, sand and clear them because they're a bit foggy. But I plan to do that when Ron comes down. Ron said he'll help me out, so whenever he gets here.
Alright, bro. That'll be it for the channel today.
Yeah.
See y'all tomorrow, son.